Tina Service here from Lead Titan. Today I'm going to show you how to remove spam Google reviews using Go High Level or your Google business profile. Getting these spam reviews removed is going to help maintain a positive online presence for your business. So let's go ahead and get started. If you are using Google My Business, you are going to go to the review that is negative, or I'm sorry, not negative, but a spam. So I'm actually looking at one of my locations for my house cleaning company, which is in Buffalo, New York. Now, we don't have any spam reviews, but I do just want to show you how you're going to do this if you do have a spam. So we're going to go into your Google business profile. Then when you find the review that is a spam, you're going to go over here to the right and click these three buttons. And you're going to select report review. To do that, you can just hit here spam or off topic or whatever these items are. So all of these items here is Google's policy violation. If there's any personal information, which is why I had to block out those names, contains like personal information as long like your address and your phone number, they're not going to allow that to be on there. And then any discrimination, hate speech, bullying or harassment, any profanity, conflict of interest, spam, or off topic. So you definitely can put this in there. Now it does take about 24 to 48 hours for Google to respond and get that information reviewed and removed. However, if you do feel like you need to go the legal route, you can definitely click the legal help here. I'm going to show you how to remove it if you actually are a Go High Level user. You may know that I label that product under my company name, Lead Titan. So let me just jump over here to my Go High Level. Okay, so I'm inside of my Go High Level Conversations tab. I had to blur out the other names here, but as you can see, Fran did a review. She did give us, it doesn't show the 5 stars, but I know here that it shows up the 5 stars. So she gave a great review. However, right from this dashboard, if I wanted to, I could click this dispute this review button, and it's going to take me to the same process that I just showed you with directly to your Google business profile. So you're going to go through and continue to click the buttons until you get in here. You may have to sign in, and then you're just going to say report a new review for removal and continue. And then again, it's going to take about 24 to 48 hours for that process to happen. And that's it. You can check the review status. Google typically, like I had mentioned, will review that information within 24 to 48 hours. In the meantime, what I suggest is that you do respond professionally if you're going to respond to it at all. And then if anyone wants to learn how to get these reviews automated for you, meaning we can push out an automation that will ask your clients to provide you a review and increase your SEO and your Google ranking. Over the past 30 days, my company has received, I think, about 15 reviews. So we can definitely do a reactivation campaign and reach out to your past clients as well. Here's to your success. If anyone has any questions, let me know. Otherwise, if you don't have a Go High Level account, you can sign up using my 14-day free trial, which is below for you.